Welcome back everyone. Thank you so much for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. In today's video, I will share a mutton recipe. Whenever I make this dish, my friends and family always ask for the recipe. When cooking any mutton dish, the common anxiety is that it will take lots of time to prepare and even longer to cook. So this mutton masala recipe that we will be making today is very quick and easy. It will save lots of time and efforts behind standing and stirring frequently to check how much the mutton has cooked. To make this mutton masala recipe in a quickest way at the same time enhancing the flavors, we will be using a pressure cooker. Let's begin by taking 2 pounds, which is about 1 kilogram of mutton. For this recipe, I prefer mutton pieces with bone. After cleaning and washing the mutton, we will transfer it to a medium-sized pressure cooker. First, let's grind together 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, 4 green chilies, 4 to 5 medium pieces of ginger, along with some water, and make a paste. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic green chili paste. Mix it well with the mutton pieces. Next, we will add all the dry spice powders. 2 tablespoons of Coriander-Cumin powder, half a teaspoon of Turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon of Garam Masala powder, and 1.5 tablespoon of Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder. Combine the spices well with the mutton pieces. This red chili powder is not very hot, but adds great color to the dish. The green chilies are the main source of spiciness for this dish. Now that mutton is well coated with spices, let's add half a teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 to 4 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, 6 to 7 cloves, 1 bay leaf, and 1 medium-sized cinnamon stick. I have taken 1 medium-sized onion and I will slice it as finely as I can. The reason I'm slicing the onions and not chopping is because the thin slices of onions will help the gravy thicken. Let's add the onion slices to the cooker. I have washed and cleaned fresh coriander leaves along with the stem, and I will chop it coarsely. We need about half a cup of chopped coriander leaves. We will now add it to the cooker. We are now going to chop tomatoes. For this dish, I have used 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Add the chopped tomatoes to the cooker. Next, I have cleaned and washed some fresh mint leaves, and we will chop it coarsely. We need about half a cup of chopped mint leaves. This will add nice freshness to the dish. We will add this to the cooker. Next, we will add the juice of 1 medium lime, which is about 1.5 tablespoon. We will mix everything well. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of salt. You can adjust salt to your taste. Followed by 3 tablespoons of oil and 1 cup of water. We will not be adding more than 1 cup of water to this recipe because the tomatoes will also release water as it cooks, which will be enough for the gravy. But if you want to make this dish with a stew-like consistency, which is a little thick, then skip adding water. We will close the lid and cook it till we get 2 whistles on high flame. It will take approximately 15 to 20 minutes. To avoid overcooking, do not cook for more than 2 whistles. After we get 2 whistles, we will lower the flame to medium and cook for another 15-20 minutes. Our mutton masala is finally ready to serve. We will garnish with some ginger juliennes. I hope you will find this recipe helpful, and I'm sure you will make it at home. I would love to serve this dish with either tawa roti or naan along with steamed basmati jeera rice. Please let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for receiving the latest updates. Thanks for watching and keep cooking soulfully.